Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design and assemble a realistic chain drive mechanism in SolidWorks with full motion animation. You will learn how to create sprockets, assemble the chain links, apply path mates and make the entire system move smoothly just like a real mechanical drive. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and immediate SolidWorks user who want to improve their assembly and motion study skills. And before we start, let's aim for 25 likes on this video. Now let's begin. Okay, so create a folder like timing belt, and the first one, let's save this part 1 dot sprocket. Zero one and okay. Select front plane, draw a polygon and the parameters will be 18, 18. Again draw one more sprocket polygon, make it horizontal. I'm going to select this origin point and that point, make it vertical, also this one vertical. Okay, now this length will be 15 and this length also 50 mm. To fully define the sketch, horizontal distance 180 mm and OK. Use center line, draw a center line like this. Again draw a center line like this. OK. Make it for construction geometry. Now exit the sketch, again select the front frame and create a sketch. Draw a circle, make two circles and the diameter, and make it for construction geometry. First diameter is 73 and the second one is 82 and OK. Now the next step, zoom in, draw a line like this, make it for construction geometry. Again draw the line somewhere here and make it for construction geometry. Now we have created these three lines we will use later. Select two circles, create a circle and the diameter will be 2 mm, both must be equal. Again draw two more circles, this time diameter will be 3.5 mm and hit the OK. Now in this section I am going to create a line like this. Make sure you have zoomed in so you will draw very well. Select this line and this, make it perpendicular, okay, and this line and this circle make it tangent relation, and the length of this line will be 4 mm. Still not fully defined, select midpoint and this center line, make it coincident. Okay, our sketch is fully defined. Next step, select line, draw a line like this, make it this circle and this line will be tangent, this circle and this line will be tangent, and trim it unwanted parts. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Next I am going to create a geometry like this. Follow the step. This line will be coincident with this circle. Okay. The angle will be this line and this line will be 120 degree, both must be 120 degree, as you can see on my screen. Now we will again draw a line like this, make it tangent relation, not a coincident relation. Select these and these, make it tangent. Same way I am going to use opposite direction. This line and this circle, it must be a tangent position. So our sketch is fully defined. Let's finish this geometry. So I'm going to use trim entity, trim unwanted parts, zoom in, select this line also, select this and this. Perfect. Now okay, exit the sketch. We have created two sketches on front plane. Again select front plane. We are going to create a third sketch. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit the like button and like and subscribe for more for SolidWorks tutorials. Draw a circle like this, make it coincident somewhere here. This circle and this circle, make it concentric, and all circle must be in a co-radial position. Make it for construction geometry. We are going to create a third sketch. Select front plane, draw a circle, make two circles, make it coincident. Okay. Now trim these unwanted parts. Carefully draw a circle how I created this circle. Okay. Pause the video and draw perfectly. Also make it for construction geometry. All must be. Okay. Exit the sketch. Select front plane. Offset entities. Select this line. Uncheck select chain. Select this and this. Make it, the parameter will be 0.2 mm and OK. Next step, I am going to create a circle here. The diameter will be 81 mm. Zoom in. Again zoom in. Trim entities. Carefully trim this part and this part, this one and this one. Again trim this. Select this and this, make it construction geometry. So trim unwanted parts. I want only this portion only. Once the sketch is fully defined, and pause the video if you made a mistakes. And now I am going to use circular pattern. The parameter center will be this origin. Entities to pattern, select this line, this line, this line and this circle, small circle, and the circular pattern will be 18. Our sketch is also fully defined. Next, I am going to create a circle origin point. The diameter will be 15. Make it coincident. Okay, it must be in a origin point coincident. Next, exit the sketch. Let's save these parts. I have already saved. Now we will create a 4 parts. Okay, how I will create a 4 parts, as you can see on my screen. Go to external lines mode, select this, control copy and paste it. Again control copy, sorry, this time this part the name will be path. So this is our path, and the third one control V, again rename it. This will be third part, and this will be our link 03, and the last part I am going to rename it belt 04. Oh. Once these all steps finished, cancel and OK. Now this time too we will create a solid bodies. Select front plane sketch, select cage number 5, circular pattern 1, select mid plane and the distance will be made 18 mm and OK. So this is our sprocket we have created. Again select this face, sprocket face, circle diameter will be 90 mm. Go to extrude up to the depth will be 1.25 mm. Okay, this must be our front plane will be in a center position. Next we will mirror this part, select this one and this. Okay, I am going to use extrude cut feature. Delete this and select this circle and OK through all both sides. This is our 50 mm circle. Next select this face, create a circle. The circle diameter will be 50 mm. Convert entity, select inner circle and make it convert it. I am going to use extrude boss and the extrude it up to 7 mm and OK. And then we will mirror this feature, select this by boss extrude and the front plane will be our center. Good. This is our last step for sprocket. Select this face. I am going to use a line, draw like this. Make a center line and make it. Select this line. The distance will be 5 mm and the vertical will be 4. Select this and this, make it coincident, make it vertical, and this point must be in a coincident. Now extrude, convert entity and trim entities. Go to the extrude cut and through all. OK. We will use fillet features. The fillet will be 0.2 mm. Select this face and this face. OK. Again select fillet, select this face, this edge, this edge, this edge. On the opposite direction, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this and this. There are 12 edges. I have created a fillet. We will assign the material. Go to metal and polished steel and save this part, Control S. Next I am going to open this link 3, part number 3. This is our reference sketch. I am going to create a part here. Select this sketch number 2, select extrude boss, mid plane, and the distance, the depth will be 50 mm and OK. So this is our chain. Let's modify this part. I am going to create a plane. Select this line and this point. Pause the video. As you can see how I created a plane. Normal tool. As you can see, select this edge and this edge, convert it. Now normal to zoom in. I am going to these two lines, make it for construction geometry. Draw a center rectangle and this distance will be 7, horizontal and vertical will be 7 and OK. This and this, make it coincident. Again we will use center rectangle. Draw a rectangle here. Again draw one center rectangle here. We will define it. Select this line and this, make it collinear. This line and this vertical line, make it collinear. The horizontal distance and vertical will be 7 and 4.25 respectively. Make it collinear also. Select these and these, make it equal. Select these and this vertical line, make it equal, and this line and this line, make it collinear. Pause the video and draw these like circles. We will cut this part. Extrude cut. Select through all both and OK. This is our part. Looks like this. Let's apply fillet here and connected 40 edges must be selected, and the fillet I am going to use 0.1 mm. Perfect. Again fillet. Select this edge, this face and that face. Again select this face also. Let's assign the material and appearances. Edit appearances. This one I am going to use somewhere. I prefer chromium brushed chromium or chromium plast. Select this dark gray color and OK. Hide this sketch, hide these circles, hide this plane, isometric view. This is our link we have created. This is our part number 3. The last step, select front plane, make it this face, convert entity, sorry, edges must be selected, select this outer edge, we will use as a reference in assembly features. Okay, and okay. Save this part, Ctrl S. This is our last part. We will open the path. It will be our belt. Okay. To create a belt, go to front plane, sketch, convert entity, carefully select this circle, this line, circle and line. It must be outer part must be converted. There are 4 lines. Next step, we will use a path, search it, path, select all the lines and OK. So this is our path we have created. We will use in assembly features. Select this sketch 6 like previously we have created and rename it. Rename 3 items and I'm going to rewrite path and OK. Let's create a belt, front plane, select this line, this circle, convert entity, this line and this circle and OK. I'm going to use offset, select this, make it 2.4 mm. This is our belt. .4 mm. Okay. Now the extrusion features, extrude mid plane, this will be 70 mm. Let's assign the material and appearances. Select this part. I'm going to use rubber here and matte rubber and OK. So this is our part number 4 belt we have created and we will use a path features and many more features. Let's assemble them one by one. Select assembly and OK. If you follow this tutorial, I highly appreciate if you like this video. Let's aim for only 25 likes. I hope you will do it. Now I'm going to use select all the sketches must be in a show position. Select this one and make it float. So our sketch is moving. Now let's front plane and front plane, top plane and top plane, make it coincident respectively. Right plane and right plane, make it coincident. So our sketch is fully defined. Now I'm going to use Sprocket, drag this part, select this circle and this circle, mate, make it concentric. Now let's align this in the center position. Front plane, select front plane and the sprocket front plane, make it coincident. OK. This part is rotating. Drag this by using Ctrl key. Select this circle and this circle, build circle, make it concentric. OK. Let's align this. Select Y here, so it will show top plane. Go to mates, front plane and this sprocket we have duplicated, and front plane, make it coincident and OK. Isometric view, both sprocket rotating. Now hide all those things. Here we will create a belt. Select this face, center must be, so our belt will be created and the belt length will be 81 mm. As you can see on my screen, the belt is rotating. If you rotate this sprocket clockwise or anti-clockwise, again insert a new part, browse, open the part number 3, link 3, drag this somewhere here. I am going to align this and mate. I am going to first we will use mate and path feature. The component vertex will be this point. We have converted this circle and the path will be this. Go to selection manager and the first one select and OK. This is our forward path. Again go to the path, advanced path mate, we will use reverse the path. Select this point and the path selection will be this and OK. If you see, it will move like this. Don't worry. Let's apply gear mates. Go to mates, advanced mechanical mate, gear mates. Select this edge ratio and select this edge, bottom edge. Carefully select which edge I have selected and OK. The gear ratio will be 51 and reverse the direction and OK. Oops, it shows error. So let's fix this error. What happened? It will be fixed. So I'm going to use select this concentric edit feature. This clear the selection, select this face and carefully select this belt and make it concentric relation and OK and OK. Next step, we will use linear component. Select chain component pattern, select this last option and connected linkage must be selected. The chain path will be this belt. Go to selection manager, select this first one and OK. The chain group will be this part and the first concentric relation will be this face and the second will be this. And the path alignment, I want to use this link 3, part number 3, front plane and OK. So it will be aligned. Now it shows reverse the direction, reverse it. So it looks like this. And how many instances I want? Drag this up to 41 or 41 and 41 will be perfectly aligned. OK. Now rotate this sprocket. It will rotate. I have SolidWorks 2026. So this is a graphical error and it's a bug. So sorry for that. So that's how you can create a complete chain drive assembly and motion animation in SolidWorks. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more SolidWorks projects and mechanical tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video, and please hit the like button and comment it and rate it my video. Bye bye.